నిజ నిర్ధారణకు అంతిమ నిర్ణయం DNA టెస్ట్. ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్లుగా వాస్తవాలను శోధించి వివరించేది మన DNA టీవీ, మన రాష్ట్రం, మన ఛానల్.
రెస్పెక్టెడ్ శ్రీ జి సతీష్ రెడ్డి గారు, ముఖేష్ కుమార్ మీనా గారు, ప్రవీణ్ కుమార్ గారు అండ్ చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు, on and off the dais, good morning to all distinguished dignitaries, industry leaders, scientists, investors and stakeholders present here today. I am very happy to participate in this workshop focused on beach sand minerals, a sector that holds immense potential to drive the next phase of industrial growth in Andhra Pradesh. Our state is uniquely blessed with a long resource-rich coastline stretching from Srikakulam to Machilipatnam, my own constituency, where significant deposits of beach sand minerals are available. These coastal sands represents one of the most valuable natural asset of Andhra Pradesh and provide a historic opportunity to build industries of future within our state. Today, beach sand minerals are gaining importance not merely from mining perspective but a strategic resource supporting emerging sectors such as clean energy, electric mobility, electronics, aerospace and defense manufacturing. Andhra Pradesh therefore stands at a very important juncture where our natural strength can be converted into industrial growth, employment generation and long-term economic prosperity. I would like to record my sincere appreciation to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi Garu for continuously supporting state and encouraging reforms that strengthening India mining and manufacturing sectors. Their national emphasis on critical minerals have opened new opportunities for resources states like Andhra Pradesh to contribute meaningfully to India's journey towards Vikasit Bharat. Friends, when our alliance government assumed office, the mining sector in Andhra Pradesh was facing several operational governance challenges. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, we undertook decisive steps to restore transparency, improve efficiency and rebuild confidence in the sectors while ensuring sustainability and responsible mineral development. Our government believed that mining must function as a growth engine for the economic rather than merely a revenue generating activity. Accordingly, our focus has been on strengthening exploration efforts, accelerating mineral block auctions, improving ease of doing business, promotion value addition within the state, and deploying technology-driven system to enhance transparency and curb leakages. These measures have significantly improved operational efficiency and investors' confidence in Andhra Pradesh mining sector. Andhra Pradesh today is richly endowed with a wide range of major minerals including limestone, manganese, iron ore, gold, quartz, feldspar and beach sand minerals, each playing an important role in supporting Indian industrial and infrastructure ambitions. Our objective is to transform the geological wealth into economic growth, industrial development and employment opportunities for our people. In the beach sand minerals sector alone, the state hosts 16 identified deposits spread over nearly 16,600 hectares, offering sustained feed stock security for industrial interested in establishing downstream and value-added projects. This provides Andhra Pradesh with a strong foundation to develop long-term industrial capabilities linked to these resources. It is also matter of pride that the recent union budget has identified Andhra Pradesh was one of the 4 states for developing rare earth element corridor reaffirming the strategic importance of our coastline in India's emerging critical mineral ecosystem. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, our vision is clear. Andhra Pradesh should move beyond extraction of energy as a hub for processing, manufacturing, and value addition. Natural resources must create industries within the state. Industries must generate employment for our youth, and employment must drive prosperity across regions, guided by the vision of Swarnandhra Pradesh. We are working towards building strong industrial ecosystem around our mineral strength. Our approach towards beach sand minerals is therefore comprehensive. We are looking like a developing an end-to-end ecosystem in Andhra Pradesh, covering the entire value chain, from responsible mining and mineral separation to processing, manufacturing, downstream industries, research, technology development, and skill creation. Such an ecosystem can succeed only all stakeholders work together, such as the state government, Government of India, industry partners, technology institutions, and research organizations to develop capabilities in titanium and rare earth-based industries and ensure maximum value creation within Andhra Pradesh. Because of stable governance and an industry-friendly environment, Andhra Pradesh today enjoys strong investor confidence. The vision transitioned from ease of doing business to speed of doing business. The recent Forbes report has highlighted that nearly 25% of India's investment inflow in the recent period had come to our Andhra Pradesh, clearly demonstrating the trust that domestic and global investors place in our state. With the strong port connectivity, expanding infrastructure, industrial corridor, and proactive governance across the coastal districts, Andhra Pradesh offers unmatched advantage for industries in beach and minerals and related resorts. Our government remains committed to acting as a facilitator and growth partner by ensuring faster approval, policy stability, convenience support so that investment translates quickly into operational industries and employment opportunities. The future of mining in Andhra Pradesh lies in scientific exploration, strategic investment, and sustainable development through collaboration between government, industry, and research institutions. Let's today workshop makes beginning of deeper cooperation that will unlock the full potential of beach and minerals and position Andhra Pradesh as leading center for strategic mineral-based industries in India. The opportunities before us, the Andhra Pradesh is ready to lead this transformation. With this, thanking you all.